Welcome to Day 10 of the Biology Domination Crash Course. Today, we are tackling the most feared chapter in Class 11, Biomolecules. Most students drown in the complex chemistry and skip it, but NTA uses this chapter to filter out average ranks. We are going to instantly hack the Secondary Metabolites table, decode protein structures, expose the Competitive Inhibition trap, and solve 5 high-yield PYQs. Let's secure these marks.
First, the biggest trap, the Secondary Metabolites table. NTA loves matching questions here. Stop rote memorizing and use these acronyms. For toxins, remember TAR. Toxins are abrin and ricin. For lectins, remember LC. Lectin is concanavalin A. For drugs, remember DVC. Drugs are vinblastin and curcumin. If you remember TAR, LC, and DVC, you will literally solve the PYQ in 3 seconds. Next, protein structures. You must know what each level represents. Primary structure gives positional information, which amino acid is first, which is last. Secondary structure forms alpha helices or beta-pleated sheets. Tertiary structure is absolutely critical. It folds the protein into a 3D shape, creating active sites for enzymes to function. And quaternary is when multiple subunits come together, like hemoglobin.
Let's talk enzymes. The classic NTA favorite is competitive inhibition. You need to memorize this exact textbook example. Malonate is a competitive inhibitor of the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase. Why? Because malonate closely resembles the actual substrate, succinate, in structure. It sits in the active site and blocks the reaction. Time for the NCERT X-ray. Look at the acid-insoluble pool section. Lipids are found in the acid-insoluble pool, but they are not strictly macromolecules. Their molecular weight does not exceed 800 Daltons. They end up in the retentate because they form vesicles from the disrupted cell membrane that are water-insoluble. Do not fall for the lipids are macromolecules statement. Let's test your active recall. Question 1. Which of the following is a competitive inhibitor of catalytic activity? 3, 2, 1. We just covered this. The answer is B, malonate. Question 2. Which of the following secondary metabolites is a lectin? 3, 2, 1. Remember our trick? LC. L for lectin, C for concanavalin A. The answer is C. Look how fast you can solve that. Rapid fire for the last 3. Which is not a true macromolecule? 3, 2, 1. Lipids. What bond links monosaccharides in a polysaccharide? 3, 2, 1. A glycosidic bond. And which protein structure is necessary for the biological activity of enzymes? 3, 2, 1. The 3D folded tertiary structure. How many PYQs did you conquer? Drop your score out of 5 in the comments. If the secondary metabolite trick saved your life, hit that subscribe button. Tomorrow, Day 11, we are tackling cell cycle and cell division. Save this playlist and let's dominate NEET 2026.